thought I clicked onto something. It must have popped off. No, it's still there. What do we got here? No way! It's a shotgun. Oh, it's just missing the barrel? Very cool. Very cool. Very hard, too. Alright. That can go on the wall at home. Alright, feels like we got something on the grappling hook. Oh, I bet it was fishing line. Ooh, now that magnet's coming quick. I want it to come and smack the seawall. Still feels a little heavy though. Oh. It's exercise equipment. I think that's what this is. Yeah, it is. Yeah.